Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Rainbow Six Siege crashing, right? So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to make sure that you verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed. I have this game on Steam, so I will show you how you can do that on Steam. So you need to go on Steam, library, and then right click on the game, go to properties, installed files, and then verify integrity of the game files. And it will take a couple of minutes, and if you have some corrupted files, they will be fixed, right? And another thing that you can do here is to update your operating system and your GPU drivers. On search here, you just need to write check for updates. And here, if there is an update for you that you need to just press this button, and then if there is an update for you that you need to download and install, please do so, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU drivers, depending of course what you're using, AMD or NVIDIA. If you're using NVIDIA, there is GeForce Experience app completely for free. You can download from the official website. Then you need to go to drivers and then check for updates, and if there is an update for you that you need to install, please do so, right? And then restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to add the Rainbow Six Siege in your Windows Defender Firewall. So you need to go to Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app or feature, then change settings, and here you can just press R, and then you need to look if there is a Rainbow Six Siege here, and make sure that these two options is on private and public. And if you don't find it here, you need to add it manually. So you need to press allow another app, press browse, and then you need to look for the game files. For me is on disk C. So disk C, program files x86, Steam, then Steam apps, then common, and then you should find Rainbow Six Siege here, and then you need to add this application here and press add. I already got it, so I don't need to do that, but if you don't see in the list, please do so. And then you need to go to virus and threat protection here, and then you need to look for virus and threat protection settings here, manage settings, exclusions, add a remove exclusion, press yes, and then you need to add the exclusion folder, and then you need to go to your game files, again disk C, program files x86, and then you need to look for Steam, common, or Steam apps, common, and then you should find the folder here and select and add the folder here. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to basically run the program as an administrator and basically run in compatibility mode 4. So to do so, what you need to do here is to basically go to the files again. So Steam, properties, install files, browse, and here you should find your game files here. Scroll down until you see exe file. As you can see here, this one, go to properties, or not this one. Yeah, this one, compatibility. Make sure to run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and also select disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Apply the changes, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to disable in-game overlay. And to do so, you need to look for your game here, and then you need to go to properties and disable in-game overlay. Then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to limit your frame rate, and you need to change your other settings. So you need to go to documents, you need to go to my games, Rainbow Six Siege, this folder, and then game settings. And then you need to find for this FPS limit, and depending on what your monitor can do, for me is 240, so I will do 240. If your is on 60 or 144, make sure to do so here as well. And another thing that you can do here is to sometimes full screen mode causes the problem. So what you need to do here is to select here, as you can see here, full screen is 0, windowed mode is 1, and borderless mode is 2. So you need to change to 2 borderless mode and save the changes. And then if the game is not crashing in game, you can change your basically game to full screen, and it will fix the problem. And don't forget to basically save the changes here, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.